Hello friends. So hi, after a long time I am recording this content for you, and this content will help you a lot in finding, in searching your profitable keywords or queries for your business website. Yes, so you have heard lots of things, you have you have read out many things on SEO or keyword research, but I'll tell you three easy steps to find out the most profitable keywords for your website. So in this content, I am going to share with you the most easiest ways to find out your most profitable keywords. Hi, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and I am a SEO expert with more than 7 years of experience in SEO and digital marketing. I am a Google certified digital marketer, and if you want to know more about me, just go to Google, type Anand K Jha, or you can visit my website www.anandkjha.com. So, without wasting your more time, I'll just come to the topic, main point of this content. So, how to find the most profitable keywords? So you need to know your business. So if you have a business, let us take a case study of Zerodha. Like we take a case study of Zerodha.com. This is a stock investment website, and these website actually help people to invest in stock markets, and their experts help them to guide and how to invest in stock market. So you can know more about me. I'm just taking this website as a case study how to find the profitable keyword. So like I told you, and you have you have you have also heard from me that I'm going to share 3 easy steps to find out the most profitable keywords. So, how to find out the most profitable keywords? So, first of all, you need to know what is my business, what my users are actually searching. See, you need to find out the pain problems of your customer. So, if you are able to find the biggest problem of your customer, then you will make a high premium, or you will make a best business in your niche. So for this you need to go to your website. Like I am on zerodha.com. This is a case study. So like I am on the zerodha.com, so I am just searching on the home page. So what would be my profitable keywords, as I am the owner of Zerodha? I'm just taking example. I'm not a owner of this zerodha.com, but I'm taking example how to find out the profitable keywords by 3 easy steps. So first of all we will go to the products, because these are the products they are providing. So they have an app called Kite. So we will not go with this because this is app investment app. So we will basically go to the home page. So we will search out what are the most profitable keywords. So first of all we will go to the home page, and just we will go through it. We will copy the URL. This is the first step. We will copy the URL. Step 1, we'll copy the URL. So you most of you heard about the Google Ads. I'm correct? So if you have experience of using Google Ads, and you have experience of running ads on Google, then you can use this tool. So what you have to do, you need to just go to Google Ads Keyword Planner, and you need to go to the Keyword Planner section. In Keyword Planner section there are two options: start with keywords or start with a website. So you need to go, let me show you how to do it. So first of all you need to go to tools and settings, Keyword Planner. So I'm just giving you the navigation of it. Get search volume and forecast, discover new keywords. So you need to go to the discover new keywords. You will go to the start with the website, use only this page. So you will paste the URL over here and get results. This feature will only work if you have a paid Google Ads campaign. It means that you are paying Google Ads for running your ads. Then this feature will work very well, because if you are using the free tool, then this will give you the limit version. Like this has this much and this much uh, searches. So like I see that you can see that I have lots of keywords over there regarding this home page. So there are keywords like penny stocks, online trading, stock broker, day trading, trading account, options. So how to find out the easiest keywords for your and most profitable keyword? These are the most profitable keywords which user actually search. So we need to find out the lowest keywords. So how can we do this? We will add a filter, and we will add a filter by low, and we will apply it. So we will now see the keywords which are low competitive. This low high competition, we are taking the Google Ads. So this basically this matrix basically tells if you are going to run ad on these keywords, your ads will be less competitive. But it works on SEO and different digital marketing platform also. There is a myth that this low and high is basically for Google Ads, not for SEO, but it is actually for these Google Ads platform and SEO as well. So you can see that these are the keywords which are profitable keywords and which actually drives business to their website and give revenue. So this is a third step. So first step is to copy your homepage URL or the landing page URL where you are providing product or service. Second one, go to the Google Ads, go to the keyword plan section, keyword analyzer section, and go to the keyword search and paste the URL. This is second step. And third step, you need to add a filter to low, and then you will see these keywords, different type of keywords which are actually which will actually provide you the business and and these keywords are actually profitable for your business. Note, please note down, this trick will only work if you have the paid if you are paying the Google Ads, because you are actually using the Google Ads tools. So you need to have an account where you are already run somewhere, you are running ads for your business, or you have an ad account where you have run ads for your previous website. So there you can find this feature very well. This is a free tool, but when you when you run ads on this account, then you get the access of getting actual figures of your searches and competition. So mind it. So this is the three easy steps to get profitable keywords for your business website. If you want to hire an expert for these keywords to rank to make rank top on these keywords, then you should hire a SEO expert. You can go to my website www.anandkeja.com. You can contact me and I can help you to find out more profitable keywords for your website, and I'll help you to make your website at the top. So if you have any query, just put out in this comment section. I'll make sure that I'll answer all your queries. So if you want to know more about me, just go to Google, type Anand Keja or visit my website anandkeja.com. So I hope this video will help a lot. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for giving your time. Bye.